What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that operates on a cluster of nodes that is managed autonomously through a peer-to-peer distributed network. It records data in a highly secure way, making cheating or hacking the system impossible. Information and data are stored in a certain structure called blocks. Each blocks connect to each other in a chain-like manner referred to as cryptographic hash. The hashing is like a glue that holds and connects each block together in chains, thereby giving it the name blockchain, which means a block of data connected with other blocks with a chain. Blockchain is decentralized in nature. There is no authority or middleman who control or oversee its operations, unlike the traditional means. Use the bank as an example, where it serves as a middleman or authority during cash transactions between two parties. Blockchain eliminates the services of a third party. Types of blockchain. There are basically two types of blockchain, private and public blockchain. Other types include hybrid and consortium blockchains. Public blockchain, also called the permissionless blockchain, is a type of blockchain where anyone can view transaction performed on it. Information is accessible to the public. Private blockchain. Private blockchain, also called the permission blockchain, allows only users who are granted permission to access data on its network. Hybrid blockchain. The hybrid blockchain is a combination of public and private blockchain features where some parts are controlled by a set of people or groups and other parts are made visible to the public. It uses both permissionless and Consortium blockchain, also called federated blockchain, is one where the consensus algorithm is controlled by a per-selected set of nodes and stakeholders. It solves the needs of the organization and more than one organization manages the blockchain. Use cases of blockchain. The blockchain is a revolutionary technology that is projected to take over the way things are done digitally. Blockchain helps us to track orders and payments from end to end. The financial industry. Gaming industry. Healthcare. Digital identity, cross-border transactions, smart contracts, and so on.